Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this awesome 2003 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive 6.0. Very nice truck here, very well optioned. Has a few aftermarket goodies on it to really make it stand out amongst the rest. Has Falcon tires from 2019 and aftermarket wheels. So this really makes a truck stand out with these 20-inch alloy wheels. Also have a blacked out front end here with the grille and housings of the headlights. Also comes equipped with fog lights, front tow, receiver tow, and the powerful 6.0 VORTEC engine. Sounds very good. Battery recently replaced. All maintenance up to date, ready to go to the new owner. Comes with a bug shield, nice maroon paint, tinted windows, has OEM rain guards all the way around. Full leather interior, power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof. This is GMC covers, original owner's manual, nice clean dash, just a few little chips, but nothing major, which is a really good thing because they were pretty prone for that. A nice clean center console, 6-disc CD changer, navigation, stereo. Also has dual climate controls, and it has front and rear AC, home link, map lighting, dual vanity mirrors with lights. It comes with a Bose sound system, quad heated seats, so all four seats front and rear are all heated. So you can see there. Comes with rear auxiliary controls for AC and radio. Leather's nice and clean, comes with the third row. And as you can see, clean headliner, and then the rear AC vents. We have four-wheel disc brakes. We have towing package, cargo net for the trunk, and then these seats do fold forward and lay up against the rear seat, so you do have plenty of space in the back. Comes with the third windshield wiper and third brake light. Very good condition all the way around. OEM running boards, factory floor mats. Comes equipped with dual memory seats, the dual heated front seats, the exit position, and then the power pedals. Also has swing in side view mirrors. Up behind the driver's side we have our front headlights, fog lights, and rear windshield wiper control switch. Then we have cruise control on the end of the stock and our interval front and rear wipers. And we also have our multifunction steering wheel that it comes equipped with our stereo and then infotainment up here for the gauge cluster. The gauge cluster does monitor transmission temperature, RPM, miles per hour, oil pressure, fuel, coolant, and battery voltage. So you can see we power up our navigation system here. AC is ice cold right at the start. We have 156,000 original miles, 2 owner miles. No warning lights on the dash. And there's our navigation system. From 1.9%. Speakers sound excellent. We got our auto dimming rear view mirror, and we got just a tilt on our moonroof there. Other than that, everything else is working. It's a total turnkey truck, ready to ride and drive. Beautiful GMC Denali. You can find this one exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.